In this video, we will see how we can make character animation in 3D Max. We will use the Biped Animation system. I will choose here from Create, go to Systems, click on Biped. Then I will go here to Front Viewport to draw the Biped system. But before doing that, I want to make some adjustment for it. Like if I draw it right now, you will see that it only have one finger in each hand and same in the foot. I don't want this, so I will delete it. Then I will go here, put fingers 5, finger length 3, toes 5, toe length, make it 2. Now draw it. Now here we have its height. It's 22.6 meters. I want to 1.875 meters. For people who don't see that they have here the meters, you have other numbers, go to customize, unit setup, here choose metric. If it in default it will be generic units, you will see you don't know what are these numbers. It changes the value. Unit setup, metric, meters. Now I have this one, which is 1.65. I will take it, drag it here, make it exactly here. Then I want to draw another one, the same. The parameters, these parameters will still same. So just 1.65, and I have two typical Biped bone systems. Now I will go to the first one, go here and go to motion, click on load file. I want J. Here you can view the animation if you want. You don't need this, just click open. Okay. Now if I go here, I see that's too far from the main one. I can move it. I will move this one to be close to it. There is a trick to move the animated one, but I will show it to you later because now it's still hard for you. Go here. Now I have these two bone systems. I will go to this one, click, right click, object properties, make it the visibility, make it 0.3. This is a very important step. I want to this be not very clear. I want it like that here because I want to put both one system at the same place. So I want to see this one with full visibility that I want to animate, and this one that is already animated. We can see its animation like that. Now what I want to do, I will go here, click. This is the base for this bone system. I'll click to align, alignment tool, go here, base of the another one, XYZ, everything. Now they are at the same place. I want to do all this for the whole body parts, but the issue is where do you start? Here in the bone system, the base is here at the middle. So we have bones under the base and bones above the base. It's when you go far away from the base, you are reducing the link value. It means that this link to this link to this link to this, and it's a sequence. So if I want to adjust this bone, I can. If I adjust it directly, we'll see what will happen. If I will want to align this bone to the bone, this bone here, I aligned it, but we'll see at first it's not at the same place. If I align this, what happened? This became at the suitable place, and this also. This happens because this is the linking sequence for 3 max. You must start with this. This is the base of the of this bones. So start with the base, go to the another bones one by one. So I will move up, then I will make this. Same for this. If you sometimes this shadows annoys you, you can easily go click on realistic here, choose shaded. I prefer to work with this view. This align. Okay. This one also align. Okay. Now this is aligned. Now same thing for the neck. Now I have 2 necks. I don't know which one I selected, the animated or the one I want to animate. If we see here it's empty, this is the one I want to animate. But when I click here, now I choose another neck. How I know that it's not the same? Because it has keyframes. So I'll go here, select this, align this here. I can do it in this viewport, it will be easier for the neck. You see here, click on the wireframe of this. Now it's aligned. Same thing also for the head. Now these body parts are aligned well. Now here, make this here, I can choose the view I want, click on it, I have this full screen. Now I want to go to this part. We'll see that the shoulder here is aligned. Why? Because the animation at this part don't have a motion for the shoulder, and we aligned these parts so it's aligned with them. Now what I should do, align this. Now when I click align this part, see what will happen. It's not aligned. Why this happened? The human bone system has something called IK. This IK is how your bones work. For example, you will see that your bones is always like, if I rotate this, you see everything rotates with it. This is the IK. Your bones are attached to each other. Same thing for the hand. Here you can't move this part along. See, if I move this, the whole hand move with it. So the IK between this part and this part is very strong. So I aligned this, but it's not in the suitable place because the hand is not in the suitable place. So what I should do, after aligning this part, I will align the hand. Both of them now will go to the suitable place. Still little difference from here. I try to align this again. Okay, align this again. Now what I have 100% aligned hand. See, the fingers are not aligned well. We don't care a lot for the fingers for now. We'll speak about it later. Now it's alignment XYZ, XYZ, and this also XYZ. See that we have why the hand is not aligned well. If you the first time it's not aligned, try to it twice, it will be aligned better. Now same thing for the legs. Legs are very easy to align. You see the same thing for this leg and the feet, the alignment. Okay. Align this. This is already aligned. Align this also. And the feet here. Now I have 100% aligned body. Look, see, something is like a ghost moving from it. Very nice effect. Now I want to continue the animation. What I should do? Click on auto key. It choose everything. You can select the both one system or just the first one, not the first one, the one who we want to animate. If you choose the both, it's not a problem. Make move like that, then get back in the same place. Why this important? Look about these body parts. Before we didn't have this square, which shows me that we can start animation now. See what happened after I did this. I missed some alignment for the hand. I will do it easily, but it's very, very, very important step. Without it, you are not making animation. Now it's aligned again. Now what I want to move the shoulder, need some alignment also. Okay, it's the problem of alignment. Now it looks nice. Some mistake here, you can fix it easily the same way. Now I want to do animation. I can't do wall animation here. I want to do just the head animation for you now, something like this. I go to frame number 5. Now I will align. I must align everything. The first thing, I have to align the base again. By the way, you can, if you click F3, you can see the wireframes here. It will be easier for us also. Align here. I want to align this with this. The problem is that when it's aligned again with it. No, it's an error. Let's go zooming. Don't like zooming too much here. It's aligned, but my viewport is not working good. Yeah. It's aligned. You see? Now the body get back with the first one. We'll see in the animation, look. We'll see that there's some difference between the animated body moved faster than the body I made. This is because the animated body, if we click here, something like this, it has animation in every keyframe, but we can't do that because it's done by motion capturing. But my version of animation will be every 5 keyframes. Now I align the first one, then we'll see what's happening here. Look, click F3 again. We'll see when I align the body, these parts align because they didn't move until now. I need to realign the neck and the head. I think there's still some mistake. We have to align the bones, maybe. Go here. I don't, need some fixes. think this one. This one need alignment, and this one also need alignment. Maybe this one also. You must try alignment and these things until you have the quality you want to achieve. Now we see that the two heads are aligned again. You see, now they are moving with each other. I want the same thing for the hands here. Look, what I will do now, I'll just align the hand. Look, the whole arm moved with it. But we see that this one is better than this because it has more animation. Here in frame, I can align again at frame number 2 to have more realistic motion. You see now it's better than before. And in frame number 5 align again. Now it moves better than before. And I want here align this also. See, at frame number 2, as I mentioned, we can align again here. Something like this. You can do the same thing for the feet, but actually I don't want you to use alignment. I want you to train on keyframing. So the feet are very easy. At frame number 5, take this transform tool, move it a little bit, something like that. You can adjust the rotation here for a little. Just rotation, move it back again. You will have the same position. For other feet, the same issue, the same skills. Very easy skills. Move it like that. And you always, while moving, you can use the top, front, and this viewports. Now I have this for one. After you finish all this, go and select here, select by name in this menu. The animated one named Biped 001, the one we animated named Biped 002. So I will want to delete the 001. I choose any part of it and click delete on my keyboard. Now it's deleted. If we open this, we have only Biped 002. Move the timeline, we see that we made animation for 5 frames. This is that we have, what you should finish this for the whole 50 frames. That's it. And if you have some errors, like when you draw the bip, after you finish drawing the bip bones, be sure to click here to use the other tools. And if suddenly your software stopped selecting the things, just simply go here, click save as, save your scene like XXXXX, all X's, something like this. Then make reset. Your scene is here. Now you have your scene again. Now you can select if you have this error. That's it.